going to be another tips and tricks video, and it's going to be about pretty much just tips and tricks on an AMREP. So this is an AMREP garbage truck, AMREP, and I'll just show you some tips and tricks. So right now we're doing yard waste. So like this, the AMREP dumps like that, and this is actually one thing that I purposely did, so a can accidentally falls in like this. If you can see, sometimes if it's inside the hopper like this, you could go dot clear hopper, and then it deletes it automatically. That is one thing. So that's one thing. The other thing about AMREPs, they are a bit harder of a truck to drive because the arm doesn't stick out very much. But with the little cans, I like to pick them up a bit on the side like this, because then they don't slip out as easily. But when you pick it up like that, sometimes when you come down like this, they won't like want to go down. They might fall. Then you can just like lift up just a little bit and like open the claw a bit higher, and sometimes it'll put them down easier. Same with these like this. You pretty easily just dump quick, you know, like that. And the alley or apartment condos, I don't know what you want to call them, but this area is pretty simple because you could just like this and they'll dump. But some of these little cans are kind of hard sometimes. If you don't grab them hard enough, I want to try to get one like this. Sometimes the arm's really far out, they won't want to like go down. So yeah, it's kind of a hard thing to show because it doesn't happen very often, but when it does happen, it is pretty difficult to put the can back. Like that one just fell. And yeah, let me know what tips and tricks you want in the next video. This one was a pretty short video, but let me know what you guys want in the next video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.